Okay, what we're looking at is the volume now of cones. That's that three-dimensional figure. Again, we have the height and the radius. So the formula is volume is 1/3 of pi times the radius squared times the height. Or you could just take pi times the radius squared times the height and then divide it all by 3. So if I take a look at this one, I was given the radius and this was the height. So I would go V equals 3.14 times the 20 squared times the 24, divide that by 3. So here then I would go 3.14 times 400 times 24 divided by 3. So I use my calculator, 3.14 times 400 times 24 equals then I divide that by the 3 and I get 10,048, remember my unit, millimeters cubed. Now when I look here at the next one, I have again V equals the 3.14. This is squared. Now they gave me the diameter. So I really want just the radius. I'm going to take that divided by 2, so that really becomes 8 instead of 16, and the height is 24. And again, all that gets divided by 3. So that's 3.14 times 64, the 8 times 8, times 24 divided by 3. So I go 3.14 times 64 times 24. I take that divided by 3. And I get 1607.68. And this is inches cubed. Now, if they want you to bring it down to just a tenth, or the tenth place is right here. So I go 106.1607 point. I see that's a 6. I see the number behind it's an 8. So that becomes 7 inches cubed. Now the last thing you're going to see in some of the work is a composite figure. If I look, this is two shapes, a cone and a cylinder. So I need to find the volume of both separately. So the volume is 3.14. The radius squared is 1.4, and the height here is 3. So I go 1.4 times 1.4 times the 3 times 3.14 gives me 18.4632 feet cubed. So do it again, 1.4 times 1.4 times 3 times 3.14, just to double check my work. Okay, now I have the cone. Well, the cone is what we just did up here, 3.14. The radius for this is the same, 1.4 squared, times the height, which in this case is 2.6. And all of that needs to get divided by 3. So again, I go 1.4 times 1.4 times 2.6 times 3.14 equals. So I get 16.00144, and I need to divide that by 3. I'm going to double check my work again. 1.4 times 1.4 times 3.14 times the 2.6. Yeah, just multiplying all those together. Now I'm going to take this, divide that by 3, and I get 5.338,133. And that's feet cubed. Now what I want is my total. This is going to give me my total volume. So what I want to do is really sort of take this and round to the nearest tenth for each of these. So I look there, there's 18.4. I see behind us a 6. I'm going to make that 18.5. I'm going to do the same thing here. Well, that's a 3, so I'm going to leave it alone. So that's 5.3. So I go 8, 13, carry the 1, 23 feet cubed. That's my total, because I had to add the cylinder and the cone together after I found the volume of each differently. That should give you a little start on what the work that you need to do.